Yeah. Yes, beta. बताइए.
Sir, what was the answer of? Sir, what was the answer of first one K part? Sir, please wait.
Beta, please take it from the answer sheet given in the book. If you have done it.
Sir, what was the K question?
Gaurav, first answer of K is 19.9 90.38.
Question I am asking that. What is the question?
Question is 62.7827 plus 27.6. This is first.
Okay, so ready, all of you? Okay, let's wait for some more time because only 6 are there in the meeting. Again, very low attendance.
Sir, Gaurav Pelani present.
Yeah, I have seen you. Keep your mic off, beta. So, do the K, all the parts. Can you all do all the parts of question K? Do them.
Yes, sir.
Start doing. I explained you how to add decimal numbers yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Now, to start doing all the parts.
Sir, please explain the first one, please, sir.
Sorry. First one you want me to explain?
Yes, sir.
Question K first part 62.78 and 27.6. Now, important thing here is when you are adding two decimal numbers or even subtracting two decimal numbers, decimal वाले part के नीचे decimal आना चाहिए. For example, if I want to add another example is there, this you don't have to note down. 927.356. I want to add this and 4.9. Suppose these two numbers I want to add. So see how I have written this. Decimal के नीचे decimal and then 4 and 9 like this. So
Excuse me, sir.
decimal should come under decimal like this. And now you can add the numbers. Okay. So this is how you have to add these numbers. Yes.
Sir, I can do L part also. I know how to do.
Yes, yes.
Sir, Payas Gupta present.
Now add the numbers. 8, 3,
Excuse me, sir.
1 carried, 0, carried 9. 90.38.
Okay, हाँ,
Yes.
Sir, I'm saying that the second digit is 27.6. So, sir, we have to make 16 because we have to. There is no date, so we have to make 0.
Yes, you can do that also. You add another 0 here.
And sir, there are 4 digits, but you have add only 2 digits.
nahi beta, we are not multiplying. You mean to say I have put a decimal only after 2 digits? This is what you are saying.
No, sir. Sir,
Ah.
there are 4 digits. Sir, see in the copy. Sir, wait, I will show you how it is. Then now you can see this. So 1 digit plus 27.6 plus
Where, where,
62.400 plus
where?
264.20.
Let me see your video first. Now show. What?
So there are 4 digits, but you have add only 2 digits.
Where? Which question we are talking about?
About K first.
Beta, there are only 2 numbers. See the book. You're not sitting with the book.
Sir, I am sitting, but I was not open.
Please open the book and see in the book. There are only 2 numbers. What are you talking about?
Okay, okay.
One 165.369 and 264.27. Now, in the second number, there are only 2 digits. In the first number, there are 3 digits. So, in the second number, I am adding another 0. Now, you can add the number 9316.9214. 429.639. Answer of the second one. Similarly, do the remaining parts and also do the subtraction. Question L. That also you have to do.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have done K and N both part.
Very good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have done both part. Can I eat my
Yeah.
breakfast?
Yes. No. You don't have to go anywhere. Just sit there. And
Yes, sir. Yes.
गुप्ता जी क्या कर रहे हैं? गुप्ता जी, अरे और गुप्ता क्या कर रहे हो? Turn on your video. Parth Gupta.
Yes, sir.
Video खोलो अपनी.
Okay, sir.
अरे ऑन करो. Switch on your video. Parth Gupta. Switch on your video and mic. Parth Gupta कहाँ गायब हो गए? Now what are you doing? Show me a book and copy. Show me a book and copy. Parth. Mic तो ऑन कर लो मेरे दोस्त. Switch on your mic.
Sir, wait.
Now show me a book and copy.
Sir, I have done the K part. Sir, I am doing L part now. Now.
Let's see one question of subtraction also. So, question L, first part I am telling you all. 56.37. 56.37. No difference is there. It is same as the.
Sir, I have done the K.
Just one thing you have to keep in mind. And if the number of decimal places are less in any of the numbers, you should add 0 first. In the end, you add zeros if the number of decimal places are less. Now subtract the numbers. 7 minus 3 is 4. 13 minus 7 is 6. 5 minus 3 is 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 32.64. Take your answers and start doing the questions.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good.
Today, can I post this exercise? Can I post this exercise later?
Yes, yes. Daksh Mehrotra, are you doing?
Yes. 1 minute. Sir, please tell, sir, how much we have done in book.
Acha.
Sir, can I tell?
Again, you have joined the class late today, Daksh Mehrotra.
Yes, sir. No, sir, just tell what we have done in book only.
अरे वो तो बाद में बताएंगे, पहले तुम तो हमारी बात के जवाब दे दो.
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं इससे कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ तो ये उल्टा मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछने लगता है.
How?
Joining the class late and then he's asking, sir, please tell what we have done.
Yes, sir.
Beta, have you all done all the parts?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. A minute. Sorry.
So now all of you have done.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, I have done
Yes,
my
sir.
L part and K part.
Very good. So now we are starting with the second exercise. Lot of time you all have taken to do simple questions. Okay, those who are still doing one or two parts are left, they can do them in homework. These are very easy.
Sir, please wait. Sir, please wait for a minute.
Beta, you do this in homework now. We are starting with the next. Exercise 9.2. Here we are going to learn multiplication of decimal numbers. Very simple concept. Very easy to do the questions of multiplication. So this, look at the first one. First question. Multiply 15.23 by 7. Multiplied by 7. Now, all of you, pay attention, everyone. You all know how to multiply? Just simply multiply this number by 7. 7 into 3 is 21. So 1 and 2 carried. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 and 1 carried. 6 and 1 carried. 7 into 5, 35 plus 1, 36. We carried. 7 into 1 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10661. Now what to do of the decimal? Till now I have simply multiplied. Now what we have to do of the decimal? Count the number of decimal places in this number. How many digits are there after decimal? In the first number. How many digits are there after decimal? 2 digits. number of decimal places are 2. So from the right hand side, start from the right side, leave 2 digits, 1, 2. 2 digits को jump मार के insert a decimal here. Write a decimal here. So what is the answer? 106.61. This is the answer. Is it simple?
Sir, I am on third.
Look at the second one also. Have you all understood the first one? I want an answer from you all.
Yes, sir, we have understood, and I
Yes,
am on
sir.
third question.
Sir, I have also understood.
67.4. Another example. 67.4 into 4. Now, 4 into 4 is 16. 1 carry. 4 into 7 is 28. 28 plus 1 is 29. Carry. 4 into 6 is 426. So this 26. So 2696 is the product. Now what? There is only one digit after number, only one decimal place is there. So height से start करो and just skip digit and put a decimal. So what is the answer? 269.6 is the answer. The third part also, I will explain the fourth one now. Do the third part.
Excuse me, sir.
आलोक गंगवार बेटा, ये आपने अपने नाम के आगे जो इतने सारे स्टार्स लगा रखे हैं वो हटा लीजिए. All this is not allowed. I have before also I have told you, earlier also I told you that you all should simply join the meeting with your names, no emoji, anything extra. Even go
Excuse me, sir.
emoji in your name. Go with heart. Remove this emoji from your name. Others also.
Sir, my
Sir, we
name
have
is correct.
Sir, we can do 6 out of
Sir.
12.
You have to do all of them.
Sir,
Yes.
sir,
हाँ.
सर जो आप पहले करवा
Talk
रहे
in
थे
English.
के और एल सर उसमें जो आपने बोर्ड में लिखा था वही लिखना है कि सारे कर रहे हैं?
All the parts. Talk in English.
Good morning, sir.
Please keep your mic off.
Sir, someone is watching TV.
जिसका माइक ऑन हुआ मैं उसको मीटिंग से बाहर कर दूंगा. If you unnecessarily switch on your mic and keep it on, I will remove you from the meeting. It is disturbing others. Satakshi beta, remove all the emojis from your name and just write your name in English. There is no need to write the name in Hindi also. Satakshi. पता नहीं आप लोगों को अपने नाम के साथ क्या एक्सपेरिमेंट करने में मजा आता है. गोविंद पहिलाजानी, I told you remove the emoji from your name.
मैम गोविंद सर आप गोविंद कह रहे हैं आप पहला जानी बोल रहे हैं?
गौरव पहिलाजानी, गौरव.
ओह
Not Govind. Satakshi, remove these emojis also. So now the fourth one.
Sir, now it is clear.
Good.
Thank you, sir.
Now the fourth one. 28.12 multiplied by 4.8. Simple multiplication you will do first, then in the end there will be a little change that I will tell you. Just simply multiply the two numbers. You all know how to multiply. 8 into 2 is 16, 1, 9, 8 into 8, 64, 16 plus 4, sorry, 16 plus 6, 22. Yeah. 8, 4, 2, 3. 8 plus 3, 11. Now add the numbers 6, 7, 9, 4, 3, 1. So all of you, you all can see that I have multiplied the numbers. Now what? Now count the number of decimal places. All of you pay attention on the board, all of you. Yes, everyone. Even those who have done, they also need to please pay attention to this. Now in the first number, there are two decimal places. 1, 2. And in the second number, there is one decimal place. So total number of decimal places, count the total number of decimal places, 1, 2 and 3. Total number of digits after decimal are 3. Okay, 2 in the first one and 1 in the second one. So number of decimal places, total number of decimal places are 3. So in your answer, start from the right side and count 3 digits, 1, 2, 3. Now leave 3 digits and put a decimal. Clear? Is it simple? 134.976. This is the answer. So just count the total number of decimal places from both the numbers. From both the numbers, count the total number of decimal places and leave that many digits from the right in your answer and put a decimal. This is the way to do it. Do all the parts now.
Sir, we have to do all 12 questions.
Yes, all the parts.
Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you? Sir, I have done all.
Okay, very good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I have done all.
Good.
Sir, I have also done the work.
Very good.
I also.
Let's wait for some others also.
I also.
Those who are remaining.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, today's work can I send on WhatsApp?
Yes, beta.
Okay.
Sir, now the class is over.
No, beta. 1 minute is left.
No, sir. No, sir, the class is over.
Okay. So complete all these questions. Tomorrow we will start with the second,
Sir,
the
I have
third
done.
exercise. Okay.